Hi, I'm Brandy and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Pink Soul box. This should be my, I believe, box for February, but let's check it out. Yep, January, February. Oh, came in a mailer. This is the box. The boxes always look so beat up, but nothing is ever broken. So this is all the goodies inside. I'm not going to read it yet because I want to be surprised. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh, a snail mask, an aloe mask. Oh, cool. Ooh, it's soft. My Beauty Tool Natural Cognac Face Cleansing Puff. These are great. I've seen these at TJ Maxx before and I didn't know what they were, so I didn't get any. But I've gotten one in, I want to say it was my Boutique box, and I just love them. They're just so great. I hang them in the shower, use them every day for 30 days or so, and then you toss them. Fun note, I think these are the same things. Cognac is the same thing that some shirataki noodles are made out of, which kind of turned me off on shirataki noodles. Anyway, it's really cool. I love this stuff. Olive Intensive Moisture Foam Cleanser. Cool. By Farmstay. Awesome. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm sorry, I just get so excited. I love the little cuteness factor of the beauty products. Taco Pore Sebum Sun Stick. Awesome. Look how cute. He's so cute. And Naked Peeling Cleansing Balm. Rice Naked Peeling Cleansing Balm by Apu. Ooh. I think this is the oil cleanser because it looks really solid, which is great because I'm actually running low on that. Ooh, hyaluronic acid hydrating repair ampule. This is a cool box. I always get good stuff in here though. All right, let's check it out. Etude House My Beauty Tool Natural Cognac Face Cleansing Puff. These soft facial cleansing sponges are made out of soft plant-based cognac, perfect for gentle exfoliation and cleansing. Yay! I really like that. Manyo Factory Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Repair Ampule. Intense Nourishing and Hydrating Essence containing high concentration essence. Benefits include replenish lost moisture for intense skin hydration, improve skin texture to brighten skin, improve fine lines, prevent skin dehydration. First cleanser. That's what I thought. Apu Naked Peeling Cleansing Balm. New type of cleanser that cleanses and gently exfoliates at the same time. Once it is in contact with skin, it melts as a cleansing oil to the skin and emulsifies when mixed with water. It will leave your skin clean, nourished, and bright. Second cleanser, Farmstay Olive Intensive Moisture Foam Cleanser. Hydrating foam cleanser formulated with olive extract and various vitamins to remove makeup and pores while leaving your skin soft, clean, fresh, and radiant. And then sunscreen. You will receive one sunscreen based upon your skin type. This is not a lot of sunscreen, but it is so cute. And I've actually gotten sunscreen in a whole bunch of boxes lately, so I should be good for a while because let me just be real. I don't put on sunscreen as often as I'm supposed to because I cheat and I say I'm brown and it's not a big deal, and then your facialist tells you that you have sunspots and you start taking it seriously for about a month and then you're back to not wearing it unless it's sunny outside. But don't be like me. Wear your sunscreen. I'm not promoting skin cancer. Anyway, 2 masks based on your skin type, and that is my Pink Soul box. Pink Soul is every other month. It is customizable based on your skin tone or your skin type, your needs. I think you do put in like whether you're fair, medium, or whatever. I'll leave a link below so you can have more specific information. This is their middle tier. They have a mask box. They have this tier, and then they have the Pink Soul Plus, which is for women 35 and older. And I will be transitioning to that box in August. Sad face. But you know, don't regret growing older. It's better than the alternative. Anyway, this is Pink Soul box. I'm so excited. Really good box. You can never have too many cleansers. it's meant to help keep you stocked on your program so that you're able to continue. So basically I would be missing a toner, and I usually use essence and serum. I use Ampoule at night and essence and serum both morning and night depending on what's happening. And of course you would need an eye and a cream, and then maybe a night cream depending, but it's about half of it, which is really good because I get a lot of other stuff to round it all out. And plus I'm trying things that I've never used before. This is a different one than I've used before, and I've never gotten something like this. So new things, good value. It's $39.95 every other month, which averages out to about 20 bucks a month, and you get a whole bunch of stuff customized to your skin tone. A whole bunch of Korean beauty products customized to your skin tone, not stuff. Anyways, I'm rambling now. Thank you so much for all your support. Please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Join me here. There's a journey happening, and I would love for you to be part of it. As always, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Good night.